Hello and welcome to Math Stumpers. The problem I'm looking at today reads, if you were having a party with 6 people, how would you cut a pizza so that everybody got the same size piece? Write the fraction name. We're going to look at this with two different shapes. We're going to look at this with a square and we're going to look at this with a circle. When we talk about dividing things into pieces, we're talking about fractions. And it's always important to remember with fractions that all the pieces have to be the same size. So if we're trying to divide this into 6 pieces, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with what I like to call a Y-cut. And I start with a Y-cut because it divides things into 3 pieces. If we go down the middle like a lot of people are accustomed to, that divides things into 2 pieces, and sometimes it's kind of difficult to divide certain numbers into that. But I'm going to start with something that divides it into 3 pieces. I'm also going to do the same thing on the square. Now once I divide them into 3 pieces, it's very easy to go from 3 pieces to 6 pieces, because now all I do is divide each one of those parts in half. So I'm going to change my color here. Well, no, let's keep the same color. No, change my mind again. Let's go back. Let's make it a different color. So now I'm going to take each one of those thirds and I'm going to split it in half. And if you look, I end up with 6 equal size pieces, or closely to being equal. Over here on my other one, I have the 6 pieces. I have 1, 2, 3 pieces. I'm going to go across this way to divide each one of those thirds into 2 pieces. So now, if we're trying to name the fraction piece, we'll change colors one more time. We're talking about what's the name of one of these pieces. So when I write my fractions, 1 goes at the top, and how many pieces goes at the bottom, so that's 1/6. Both of these are equal representations of 1/6. Is that what you got? I hope you did. If not, remember it's about the process.